I gotta get the little woman's oil change. So I'm in Mrs. Midwest Picker's car getting an oil change. This is a weird angle. I look all like Jabba the Hutt. So while I'm out getting the oil change, I'm gonna run some errands and pop into a few thrift stores, Secret Honey Hole thrift store, a Restore store. So this is a sourcing video. If you're new to the channel, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. If you're not new to the channel, you know the routine. If I don't find anything worth talking about, this video won't see the light of day. I'm not going to waste your time. So it is May 3, I think. Partly cloudy, balmy 48 degrees in Michigan. The grass is coming up, the trees are budding. I got so many outdoor chores to do, it's not funny. Spring cleaning outdoors sucks in Michigan. Gotta pick up branches and sticks and dog do. Change the blades on the lawnmower. Clean the gutters, it never ends. So let's go. All right, we're at this teeny tiny Goodwill store right next to the oil change place. Let's check it out. Not too shabby. That Goodwill was okay. I got this Starbucks mug. You might have saw that in the video. Not all Starbucks products are worth money. They have tumblers, water bottles, ceramic coffee mugs. They have like limited edition, special occasion, anniversary mugs. This one is pretty good. I got it for 99 cents. This one I almost didn't get. This is a Swiss Miss plastic. It's very clean. That's the only reason I got it. 99 cents. Not a lot of value. Some value. So I'm at my mom and pop Secret Honey Hole. So they have miles and miles and miles of glass, and I'm not afraid to ship glass. So let's go inside. Well, that wasn't so bad. I got 4 of these, kind of a gamble. This is a drawer pull. There's only like, well, this company, Hickory Hardware, they got a bunch of stuff on eBay, of course, but this exact thing, there's only one other guy. So I bought, they're $3 a piece. I got 4. It's 12 bucks. I'll lot them together, $39.95. I don't know. It's not a home run. Just something to do to help out the, charity. This is a charity thrift store. And then of course locally, Ferris Nut in Grand Rapids. These are high quality nuts and raisins and trail mix. I think it's expired. It's $1.50, but a nut is a nut. They have non-expired food, so these were like $1 a piece. And then of course you saw me grab these. I didn't even check the date. These are $1. King size Reese's peanut butter eggs. Got 4 of those. You don't care. I got a bag of food. So now I'm going to go to the Restore, grab lunch, and head home. All right, we're back at the eBay office. This is listing day. So is this office a mess? Yeah. Where's Max? He's a little worried about me because he hears me talking to myself, so he freaks out a little bit. But so this is the eBay office. This is listing day. He's got to smell everything. I'm going to show you what I got. Some Facebook Marketplace hauls. So I'm going to flip the camera around. All right, so these are the cups you saw me get. These were 99 cents. Price is still on there. So I'm going to put some comps up on the screen. Little Swiss Miss. I only got this because it was clean. It's not all stained up with hot cocoa. This is from the Restore. I got 4. They're $3 a piece. These are drawer pulls, Hickory Hardware. They're still new in the package. I would never ever buy these out of the package. So there's 4 of them. I'll probably lot them up for, I don't know, $39.95 shipping on top. Got me a cookie. So over here is the Restore. Got this pressure valve gauge. Still new in the box, or new open box. I paid up 20 bucks. Doesn't have the thread protector. I wish it did have the little plastic cap on there. That would help. I'll put some comps up on the screen. Here's my big question. Is this vintage tape? 1986. So the question is, does the adhesive on the tape, does it still work when it's this old, 1986? It's sealed. That doesn't mean nothing. The buyer could buy this and get it home and open it up, and the tape could shatter into a million pieces. The adhesive could be all dried up. I don't know. They had about 50 of these, and I asked the guy, how much are they? And because they're not priced, of course. They didn't have price tags on them. And he said 50 cents. So I got 4 of them. I'll do 2 at a time. $39.95. New old stock. Vintagey. See what it does. Over here is my vintage postcards in my previous video. Got 160 postcards for 200 bucks. I know I never usually spend that much, but $1.25 a piece, not too bad. Some of them are undivided. If you know, you know. Those are the older ones. These are embossed. Very well taken care of. I would grade these as very good plus. Got nice sharp corners. Pretty cool. Mrs. Midwest, she sourced these for me. Some old Noritake. Right there. Very good condition. No chips, no cracks, no crazing, no glazing. Pier 1 is out of business. They went bankrupt, so some of their stuff is good. These were all, I don't know, $2 each. Not bad. Thank you, Mrs. Midwest, for that. And then, so this is Facebook Marketplace. I don't think I talked to you guys about this. This is a solid brass propeller. This is sweet. So this goes typically on an old Chris Craft vintage boat with inboard motors. There's usually 2 propellers. So the code number on here has an R for right hand side. These are all over the place. The condition is obviously, as you can see, is fantastic. A lot of these on eBay are green and tarnished and got gouges in them. I'm not going to say this is even close to new or mint, but it's in very good condition. Paid up for this, paid 80 bucks. Diameters, everything. 20 inches across, you know, it's $1,000. This is about 13 inches across. I'll put some comps up on the screen. Also on Facebook Marketplace is vintage toolbox socket kit. This is a wooden box. So this is 1928, I believe. I'll put the listing up on the screen. This is already up on eBay for 200 bucks. I paid 80 for it. Probably overpaid, but it's pretty rare. It's Bethlehem Spark Plug Company, and they sold these socket sets. A lot of them were in tin. This is the rare one. This is set D. They have A, B, C, and D. This is D. I believe it's 1928. It's got a nice little kit on the side here. It's missing 2, so I put that in the listing. But pretty rare, pretty sweet. Yeah, he's not sure what to think of me. He's got to smell everything. So yeah, is it controlled chaos? Is it a mess in here? Yeah, it's messy because it's, you know, the eBay office. There's my baby alien, Enoch. So that's the haul today. Didn't get a lot of video in the store. I've been looking at spy cameras. I'm not sure if I like to do that, little button cameras and hide it. I prefer to have the GoPro out where everybody can see it. So I don't know. I don't do a lot of in-store video. I do more of the haul, the ride there. So what do you think about this tape from, I think it's 1986, 85? I'll put it up on the screen. Do you think it's going to work? I have free returns. So if it doesn't work, they can always return it. But Restore is a great place to source because these construction companies, local businesses, they want to clean out their inventory. They find a bunch of stuff and they bring it to the Restore. So it can be breaker boxes, it can be lumber, it can be furniture, cabinets, metal cabinets, tape. Just too much to list. A lot of stuff. Some of it's new, some of it's used, some of it's in the package, some of it's out of the package. I look for stuff in the package still, so I can list it as new. And there's a lot of Restores all over the place. So that's the video, guys. Hit the thumbs up on your way out. Let me know what you think of this tape. Is it going to shatter? Is it going to work anymore? I don't know. We'll find out. If I get any feedback from a buyer, I'll be sure to let you guys know. So that's the video. Until next time, see ya.